Hi, Chris Kuzmo here. Last time we created a method called insert for the element class. I'm going to get rid of it for now because it's easy to confuse an element of a linked list with a linked list. And a linked list has an insert method that's similar to, but different in the behavior of this. But I like this. I like this method. The pack rat in me wants to keep it around, but I'm going to throw it out and let's just create a setter for the previous and next element. So public set prev is going to take an argument of an element, which is going to be underbar prev, and it's going to brutally replace prev with underbar prev. And we're going to do the same thing for setting next. So these methods are unkind. All right, they don't care. So I'm going to change the word prev to next in every place here. See how automated this is? Then indeed, there are automated mechanisms for creating setters and getters in most code development environments. And they even have that as an option here. If I right click and I hit code actions, oops, I say right click and go to code actions. It shows me generate getters and setters, but when I click on it, nothing happens. So that may be that I may be confused about something, but I don't. I clearly am confused about something. It might be because they haven't implemented that feature, but in any case, that's something to keep your eyes open for. Of course, set prev, is that going to be a void method? I think so. Is it going to be static? No, it's not static because it's done with respect to a particular object. And so we have getters and setters. We should create test cases for this to verify that the setters and getters we should run right away just to make sure that the introduction of our setters and getters don't create failures, and we'll want to create test cases for the setters and getters as well. And of course, you can see the constructor already tests the get key method, doesn't it? And so we're going to do a test setter, and all we're going to do is going to do fe dot set key. I want to capitalize key, but I didn't do it that way. So set key to 4, and then check to see if get key gets us 4. So why is it hating on me? Let's double check our definition of set key. We don't have a set key method. Okay. And actually, that's worth noting. We don't want it to be possible to change the key. Okay, fair enough. So we'll set next. Okay, but it's not going to be 4. It's going to be something else. First element, second element. Okay, that means I need to create a second element. Get it properly indented. And the key value, it can only be created in the constructor, the way that I've set things up right now. So I make my next element after FE, SE, and so now FE, if I get next, okay, on FE, that should then have, I should be able to get my key off of that, which should be 4. If I have a get next method, do I have a get next method? I can set next, but I can't get next. I can get key, but I can't set key. So I haven't created all the methods I need, but I might not want, and I don't really want to necessarily make it possible to do all of these things. But the getter for the next, I'll need that. So we'll do that next time.